I love listening to you every day. And I'm telling you that Trump gonna win. I'm a black Democrat, and I voted for him in 2016, and I'm gonna vote for him again. Biden, he is empty.
Well, that's true.
He's been the vice president for 8 years. He's been a senator or politician for altogether 47 or maybe 50 years.
That's right.
He's done nothing for the black people. And he is racist.
That's what Kamala Harris's running mate said about him.
Sure did. Said it. And she said it right. And my husband, I used to ride with my husband, OTR truck driver. He go all over the state. 2016, that's all we saw. Trump, 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 Trump. I don't go with him now because we changed company. And he told me, he said, that's all I see. It's nothing but Trump. All up in Pennsylvania.
Well, that's right. There aren't any Biden signs out there. I don't even think they've made any.
Exactly. You might see one, but believe me, when he keep driving, he's going to see maybe 20 more of Trump.
Well, how come you decided to vote for Trump 4 years ago, and why are you going to do it again?
I do not like Obama because he didn't do too much for the black people. He did some things that I like, but overall, no. And Biden, no, he got other people running the show. And people, you know.
Well, you are perceptive. You're absolutely right about that. He does have other people running the show.
Yeah, running the show. And Kamala, she can't wait to get in, but she's not going to get in. You know, I come from Democrat family, and I have to fight against all of them. And then you know what? I don't change. I'm not going to change.
No, I don't either. And that's rare. You know, a lot of people change on a dime, on a whim. With the wind blowing, they'll change.
And I tell my mom, I tell my son, we can be in, you know, buses and debates and all that. I say, whatever. I'm going to vote for Trump.
Tell me, what is it you like about Trump? I mean, you voted for him in 2016. You're going to vote. What is it you like about him?
You know, he is a voice for the people. He has the people out. You see, it's like something you want to say, but you can't say, but he'll say for us. He'll say for me. And he's straightforward. He'll tell you how you do. He's not a politician.
Steve,
he's a
this is the little secret thing. You know, Joanne, you've stated it. You have stated extremely perceptive. He says things I can't say. He says things I think. He says things I feel. And that is the bond, folks. That is the connection that exists, and it's a rare thing. Most politicians don't even have that bond. A lot of entertainers don't. Many do. It's a rare thing, particularly to have it as deeply as Trump does. He says what I'm thinking. He says what I'm feeling. He says what I want to say.